Welcome to City Cool's educational video on 7 Steps DIY Air Conditioner Checking Guide. If your air conditioner is on but your room is not cold, you may be able to fix the problem yourself by following our 7 Steps DIY Guide. In addition, you can find out whether your air conditioner needs normal servicing, chemical overhaul or topping up. The first step is to check your remote control setting. Check if the remote control is set to cool, as this is the only mode for cool air. The second step is to check the coolness from the air outlet. Place your hand in front of the air outlet. If the air flowing out is not cool at all, you will need an air conditioner professional to solve the problem. If you feel cool air around the air outlet, proceed to step 3. In step 3, you will need to open the front cover of the fan coil to check if the air filter is dirty. If the air filter is dirty, wash and dry it. Do not wash with hot water. Next, place the air filter back and proceed to step 4. In step 4, you need to shuffle your hand left to right at the air outlet. Check if the airflow is strong and even. If it is, very good. If not, proceed to step 5. In step 5, you need to use a torchlight to check if the air blower is dirty. If the blower is dirty, your air conditioner needs a general cleaning service. If not, proceed to step 6. In step 6, you need to check the cleanliness of the cooling coil, also known as evaporator coil. If there are dirt on the coil, you just need a general servicing for the air conditioner. If the dirt are thick with algae on it, you will need a chemical overhaul for the fan coil. The last step is step 7. Here you check if your air conditioner has adequate refrigerant. Place your hand on at various area on the cooling coil. If the entire coil is cold, your air conditioner system is fully charged. If some area of the coil is cold but some area not cold, that means the system is not fully charged. This means that the system needs a refrigerant top-up. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any further question, you are most welcome to contact City Cool. We will appreciate if you would kindly also help to share this video around. Thank you very much.